name's Aaron. We're in my basement, and I'm just about to show you my coal furnace. A coal furnace that actually you will very rarely ever see in your life. This coal furnace exists, actually the hopper itself, from I'd say about 1935 it was made, and they probably quit making it around 1945-ish, because if you try to look it up on the internet, you only find it on one web page. That's the only place I could find it. And you can't even find it on eBay. I tried finding it on eBay, so anyone that's out there, if you check us out on YouTube, you're more than welcome to type in any comments. So here we go. Don't let the looks be deceiving, but believe it or not, this is the cheapest form of heat known to man compared to propane, gas, or oil. This here is the hopper that you are seeing. It looks like shit, but it works great. And right in front of that green box is the furnace, the boiler, driven by water pump and coal. And as you can see, down there is the gearbox, the belt, and a fan. It's kind of dark down there. I really can't see too good. It's kind of dark down here and damp. In here you can see we have the coal. It holds about 17 5-gallon buckets of coal. Over here is the coal pile. Sorry, once again, don't mind the shade. I just have a regular iPhone. I don't have a flash on here or anything. Of course, having a coal furnace is quite messy. You can see the ashes, but this is all American steel, or should I say iron, cast iron. Even the hopper itself was American made. Right here, it used to say the Iron Fireman. There used to be a red stamp right here, but it got painted over. You can kind of see where I'm circling my fingers. It used to say that in a red stamp, the Iron Fireman. But over here we have a spare hopper where you can see where that red stamp was. It says the Iron Fireman automatic coal burner. It has like a little picture of a metal robot shoveling coal. That is the spare. You can see how it has those tubes in front of it, and here's the live one. You see the tubes going inside of the coal furnace, which has a screw inside of one of them tubes taking the coal inside the furnace. And we have spare ones, which they call a worm. The screws are called worms. That's what they are. That takes the coal inside of the furnace. This is a very big furnace, but this is also a very big house. And you can see the very big chunks of ashes that come out of this thing. These two doors up here on top, that is the flue, and this down here is the furnace door, which if you look, you can see inside. You can obviously see, how big it is in there. It looks like a cave. It's a very big furnace and a very vital part of this house. To replace this, compared to gas and oil or propane or any other source of heat, to heat this house, I'd say between November till March, you're looking at about maybe $1,000, if that. Imagine how much you pay for gas or propane or oil in that amount of time for a house that has about 10 rooms in it or more. You'd be paying a lot of money. But I just wanted to share this piece of antiquity with you because it is very old and you do not see this kind of equipment anymore. Don't mind the basement. Once again, it is kind of messy because it is very old and it is coal heated. But the upstairs is quite nice looking, but once again, you do have to dust your furniture off, like I said, quite often. But I just wanted to share this, like I said, share this piece of antiquity with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So you guys have a good night and good luck.